So now let's discuss about the formation of plurals. Okay. There are certain rules to change singular nouns into plural. So there are certain rules how you can change your singular nouns into plural nouns. So let's start. So the first point says the plural of a noun is usually made by adding s to the singulars. Okay. So most of the nouns are made just by adding an s to the singular nouns. Fine. Now see these examples. House becomes houses just by adding an s. Tree, trees, train, trains, girl, girls, kite, kites, hen, hens, pen, pens, door, doors, ear, ears, shop, shops, sister, sisters, photo, photos, window, windows, chair, chairs, horse, horses. So most of your plural nouns are formed just by adding an s in the end. Fine. Now coming to next rule, rule number 2. Nouns ending in s, ss, o, ch and n form their plurals by adding es. Okay, this is the second rule. What does it say? Okay, when any noun ends in s or ss or o, ch, n or sh. So for that you need to add es in the end. Fine. Now see the examples. Bus becomes buses just by adding es. Gas becomes gases in plural just by adding an es. Same way kiss becomes kisses. Glass become glasses. Bench become benches. Brush become brushes. Dish become dishes. Class become classes. Potato becomes potatoes. Tomato becomes tomatoes. Match becomes matches. Watch becomes watches. Church become churches. Mango become mangoes. And tax become taxes. So these are few examples, and you can check that in the end we are having s, ss, o, ch and n. So if you find any noun that ends in s, ss, o, ch, n or sh, so you need to know that we need to add es in the end to make it plural. Fine. Okay, so rule number 3, nouns ending in y with a consonant before it form their plurals by dropping the y and adding ies. Okay, so the third rule says if any noun ends in y, जब कोई भी नाउन आपका y से एंड कर रहा हो एंड उससे पहले आपका कॉन्सोनेंट दिया हो, y के पहले एक कॉन्सोनेंट हो, तब what you will do, you will add ies and you will drop y from it. Okay, for example babies, so it ends in y. Okay, yes, and with the consonant before it. So y के पहले कौन सा consonant है? B is a consonant. Okay, you know it very well. So what we have to do to make it plural, we have to drop y को drop करके इसके place में we have to add ies. So it makes babies. Baby become babies. So just by dropping y and instead of y we have written ies to make it plural, it become babies. Okay, same way with army, it ends in y और y के पहले आपका कॉन्सोनेंट है. कॉन्सोनेंट कौन सा है? m है. एंड फॉर दैट व्हाट इज द रूल? टू फॉर्म इट प्लूरल वी हैव टू ड्रॉप द y एंड ऐड ies टू इट. सो मैंने y को ड्रॉप किया and in place of y we have added ies. It becomes armies. Same way with cities. City becomes cities. ies. Country become countries. ies. Okay, same way story becomes stories. Lady become ladies. Diary become diaries. Fairy become fairies. Fly become flies. pony become ponies, family become families, reply become replies. So this was your third rule. Okay, coming to fourth rule. So what is the fourth rule? Nouns ending in y with the vowel before it form their plural by adding s. Now if a noun ends in y and y के पहले you are having a vowel, okay, so how you will make those nouns into plural nouns? Just by adding s. There is a difference between the rule number 3 and rule number 4. रूल नंबर 3 हमारा था कि जब कोई भी नाउन हमारा वाई से एंड कर रहा हो और उसके पहले कॉन्सोनेंट हो तो हमें प्लूरल बनाने के लिए वाई को ड्रॉप करके आई ई एस ऐड करना होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बेबी बिकम बेबीज. ओके, एंड इन रूल नंबर 4 व्हाट डज इट से? इफ एनी नाउन दैट एंड्स इन वाई, अगर कोई भी नाउन आपका वाई में एंड कर रहा हो और उससे पहले वॉवल हो, एंड यू नो what are the vowels? There are 5 vowels a e i o u. so अगर y के पहले कोई भी vowel हो तो आप उस noun को plural कैसे करेंगे? just by adding an s to it. fine. for example boy, boy में it ends in y and उससे पहले हमारा vowel है, vowel is o, so simply add an s in the end to make it plural. toy, toys, ray, rays, day, days, donkey, donkeys. fine. same way monkey, monkeys, joy, joys, valley, valleys, story, stories. okay, now coming to rule number 5. nouns ending in f or fe forms their plural by changing f or fe into ves. so what is the rule number 5? अगर आपका कोई भी नाउन f या fe से एंड हो रहा हो तो फॉर मेकिंग इन प्लूरल you have to change it into ves. how you will change it? let's see some examples. for example leaf, leaf. so leaf ends in f, so to make it plural, we have to replace f with ves, so it become leaves. fine. calf, it ends in f, we have to replace it with ves, calves. same way with shelf, shelf becomes shelves, ves. in the end we need to add ves. okay. wife, so it ends in fe. okay, so we have to add ves in place of fe to make it plural, wives. same way with knife, fe. so हमें plural बनाने के लिए ves यूज करना होगा fe की जगह पे. so knife become knives in plural, knife become knives, life become lives, wolf become wolves, thief become thieves. okay. Now coming to one more important point. Some nouns ending in f or ff form their plural by adding s. So what is the main point? Some nouns ending in f और ff, यानी कि कुछ ऐसे nouns जो f से end करते हो या फिर double f से end करते हो, उनको उनके जो plural है वो कैसे form होंगे? just by adding an s. Now let's check the examples. Singular case में scarf. So what will be the plural? Scarves. Scarf में end हो रहा है f से. So to make it plural you need to add an s. Okay. Same way with chief. Chief, it is also ending in f. So you need to add an s to make it plural. Chiefs. Dwarf. Dwarf will become dwarfs. Need to add an s. Fine. Same way hoof. Hoof becomes hoofs. Proof, proof become proofs. Roof becomes roofs. Same way gulf become gulfs. Handkerchief become handkerchiefs. And last word is cliff. So in cliff we are having double f, so we need to add an s to make it plural. okay. In case of dwarf and hoof, you can also write VES to make it plural. Fine. S is also acceptable and VES is also acceptable. Both are correct. Okay.